Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. As you know, every week we conduct a webinar on a new topic to enhancement of your busy knowledge so that you can easily use busy software. The topic of today's webinar is importing data from other software into busy. I will explain the topic in this session. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask at end of the session through Q&A chat. Let us start the session. So the topic of today is importing data from other software into busy. So if you have recently replaced or are considering replacing your current software with busy, you may have a questions coming to your mind. How to convert your data into busy software? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. In this session you will learn how to import your data in busy from tally software or other software. First we will understand data import from Tally. Suppose you want to replace your Tally software with Busy, then a question will arise. Can we import data from Tally software to Busy software? Answer is yes. Effortless transfer data from Tally to Busy with our dedicated tool Tally to Busy. Simply download the setup from www.busy.in, install it on your system and follow the easy step to seamlessly import your Tally data into Busy software. That means you have to install our dedicated tool Tally to Busy. After the installing this tool, you can convert your data from Tally software into Busy. Steps to be followed. Step 1 is download and install Tally to Busy tool. So this setup is available in our website www.busy.in. You can download this setup from our website, and after the downloading you have to install this setup in your system. The step number 2 is you have to export your data like your masters, your transaction from Tally software in XML format. After that, step 3, you have to create new company in Busy software in the same financial year. Suppose you exported data from Tally, the financial year is like 1st April 2023 to 31st March 2024. So you have to create the new company in Busy software with same financial year from 1st April 2023. Then you can import your data from Tally software to Busy. The step number 4 is in the new company in Busy, you have to go to add on, and there is an option Tally to Busy. You have to click on this option and some details you have to specify. After that you can import your data like masters and transactions file XML format into Busy. And after importing the data you can check the reports and master and the voucher list. Let us see the practical demo how to import your data from Tally software to Busy. Let me show you. The step 1 is you have to download Tally to Busy utility from our website. Let me show you. Just click on resources, download, and scroll down the bottom. See, this is your the miscellaneous tool Tally to Busy. You have to click on this option, click to download, and the setup will download. After the downloading this setup, see, setup is downloaded. This is the setup file Tally to Busy. So you have to download this setup. Go to our website www.busy.in, click on resources, download, and this is a setup a miscellaneous tool Tally to Busy. Just click on this option, click to download, and the setup will download. See, after that you have to install this setup. This is the setup file, and you have to install this setup in your system. After installing the setup, let me show you. This is my company. After installing this setup, you have to open the company and just check this setup is installed or not. So you have to go to add-ons, and the last option is showing Tally to Busy. This option will show after the installing this setup in your system. So setup is installed successfully. After that, you have to open Tally software and you have to export two files. Let me show you which files. So this is the Tally data. So these two files you have to export from Tally software, daybook and master. So these two files you will export from Tally software, master XML and daybook XML. These two files you have to export. After exporting these files from Tally software, you have to create a new company in Busy Software with same financial year like as Tally. This is my company I already created and just I'm opening. So you have to remember this. When you create the new company in Busy Software, financial year should be same like as Tally. 1st April 2023. Now after that, you have to go to add-ons. Just click on Tally to Busy. Enter on this option. After entering, this window appears. Import data from Tally. Here you have to specify some information like purchase type, sell local and central, sales type local and center, and the bill sundry master of CGST, SGST, and IGST. So let me select CGST, SGST, IGST. These bill sundry master you have to select in these options. CGST in front of CGST, SGST in front of SGST, and IGST in front of IGST. So this is the step 3. Step 1 is you have to install Tally to Busy utility in your system. Step 2, you have to export your masters and daybook file from Tally software. Step 3, you have to open or create a new company in Busy Software with same financial year and just go to Tally to Busy option, open this utility, and here you have to specify some details like GST details, purchase type and sales type, and the bill sundries, CGST, SGST, and IGST. After specifying these details, you have to select the folder. So let me show you. This is my Tally data folder. This folder on desktop, Tally data. See, this is my folder. Data is available in this folder. Let me select this folder path. So go to Busy and select the Tally data folder. After selecting the path, press enter key. Now see, master.xml and daybook.xml, these two files showing as same. See, after that you have to click on import option and start the process. Now see, the process is running and your data is importing from XML file, masters and daybook. Daybook means transactions. See, imported successfully. So this step is over. Just okay and quit this window. After that, let me show you data is imported or not. Vouchers are showing perfectly. Let me show you the list of sales. See, all the vouchers imported successfully of sales. Let me check purchase vouchers. So purchase voucher is also imported successfully. Payment and receipt, let me check. See, so all the vouchers imported successfully, and see, all the balances are showing in the balance sheet and profit and loss report. So transaction imported successfully. Let me check the items and other things. So this is my item list. See, all the items imported successfully. And my parties also. So these steps you have to follow if you want to import your data from Tally software to Busy. Steps are very simple. Next, data import from other software. Now move to another situation, data import from other software. So using Excel can streamline the hectic data import process, export data from your existing software to Excel, and then seamlessly import the data from Excel into Busy. So the steps are: step one is you have to export data in Excel from the existing software, and the step two is you have to fine tune the Excel file, set up the Excel data for seamless import, and the step three is you have to import the data from Excel into Busy software. So let us understand the step in detail. Explain you data export from existing software. So if you want to convert your data from other software other than Tally into Busy software, so these steps you have to follow. First, you will export your data in Excel. So which data you will export? Masters and transactions. In masters, accounts and items. In transactions, purchase, sales, payment, receipt, and general. These data you have to export in Excel from your existing software. Masters, accounts and items, transaction, purchase, sales, payment, receipt, general. So you have to export the data. You have to export all the voucher list separately. Like sales list in Excel sheet, data should comes only for sales. So in the one sheet, you have to contain one data only in the single sheet. Let me show you the data. Suppose this is your data. This is Excel file. Let me open it. See, this is my item list, item information, item alias, group name, unit, text categories. All the informations are showing in the Excel list. This is my item list. This is my party list. See, the second sheet is party list. Sheet number 3 is purchase vouchers. Sheet number 4 is sales voucher. Sheet number 5 payment, receipt, and general. So all the sheets you have to prepare separately. So in the item list sheet, you have to contain only one information, item information. So when you export your data from your existing software into Excel, then you have to manage your Excel data like this. You have to fine tune your data like this. Then you can easily import in Busy software. So like the item list, so information should becomes only items. The account list, only accounts information will be available in this sheet. Same as purchase, sales, and payment, receipt, contra. So transaction master, you have to export in Excel from your existing software. So in the single column, you have to contain single information like column A. All rows of column A is item name. You can see all rows information is same, item name, and the second column is alias. Third column is group, fourth column is bag. So you have to set your Excel file uh, like this template, then you can easily import in Busy software. Let me show you how to import this data into Busy. So the first list you can see, the first sheet is item sheet. So let me import this item Excel sheet into Busy software. So my another company, let me open importing data from other software. After opening this company, this is my fresh company. There is no transaction master. Let me show you. See, master list, there is no item. See, and there is no voucher, zero vouchers. Okay, so this is my fresh company. Now I am importing data from Excel. Let me show you what steps you have to follow. So you have to go in administration, enter on data export import. First option is import masters from MS Excel. Just open it, enter on this option, and the first option in this heading is showing items. Enter on this. This window appears after entering, and here you have to select some details. You have to select some option. Let me show you. So see, you have to connect the field. So all the fields are showing like item name, item alias, item group, and Excel fields, Excel columns. So you have to connect the item field with Excel field. So I already connected the field. See, item name is A, item alias is B, See, in a column A, only single information is showing item name. In the second column, only showing item alias. In the third column is showing group. So you have to connect the field like this. Item name, Excel field is A. Item alias, Excel field is B. Item group, Excel field is C. So these fields you have to connect with the Excel field. After that, select the Excel file. So my Excel file is in desktop. This is my Excel file, masters and vouchers. Now I'm importing the data, and the details are starting from second row. You can see, because first is heading and the information, the details are showing, data is starting from row number 2. So we have to specify starting row as 2. End row we can keep as 0, and this is sheet number 1 because this is the sheet number 1, so we have to specify Excel sheet number 1. Now let me close this sheet and click on import button. See, data is importing. So 6 item master imported successfully. Let me check. So we have 6 items and all items imported successfully. Let me show you in busy software. Go to masters, items, list. Before this there was no items, but now see, all the items are imported successfully, like a handbag for women, and sale price, purchase price, MRP, tax categories, HSN code, opening stock, opening value, all the details, all the informations imported successfully correctly. You can see, you can match with Excel. Like suitcase, sale price is 3250. Suitcase, sale price 3250. So all the informations imported correctly, successfully. My items are imported. Now after that, let me import my account. So second sheet number 2 is party accounts. This is my parties list. Column number 1, column number A is account name, B is account group, C is address line 1, address line 2, address line 3. So you have to set your template, Excel template like this. After that, you can import easily in busy software. Now you have to go to administration, data export, import master from MS Excel. Second option is accounts. Now I am importing the account data from Excel. Enter on this. So this window appears. Same as item, you have to connect the field like this, alias, Excel field like this. So you have to connect this field, like account name, Excel field is A, account group, Excel field is B, address line 1, C, address line 2 is D. See, all the fields are connected. Now I'm importing the data, so we have to select the Excel sheet. After that, starting row number 2. Starting row is row number 2 because in the row number 1 is heading and the data starting from row number 2. So let me enter the 2. End row keep as 0. And this is sheet number 2 because sheet number 1 is item and sheet number 2 is party list. After that, close this Excel and click on import option. Now your data is importing. So your accounts imported successfully. Let me show you. See, these are the sundry data and all the informations: address, state, Aadhaar number, IT PAN number, email, mobile number, WhatsApp, all the details imported correctly and successfully. So with few minutes, with few seconds, you can import your data from Excel into busy software. So my masters, my account master and my item masters are imported successfully. Let me import the vouchers. So sheet number 3, let me open the Excel sheet. Sheet number 3 is purchase transaction. You can see. So the column A is series name, column B is voucher date, column C is voucher number, column D is sales purchase type, column E is party name, column F MC material center name, column G item name, quantity. So all the details you can see, all the details are available, and in a single columns all rows have same one information only. You have to set the template like this, then you can import easily into busy software. Let me show you the steps. So after that, if you want to import your voucher data into busy software from Excel sheet, you have to go to administration, that export import, and import vouchers from Excel. Enter on this option, import vouchers from Excel. This is the window for import voucher. So which voucher you want to import? So purchase data, because sheet number 3 belongs to purchase. So let me select purchase. After that, you have to select the format. If format is not available, format is not created, then you have to configure the format. Let me show you. Just click on configure. Here this window appears, and select the purchase and add the format like P, specify the name. I already created one format, but I am showing the another format. So format name is P. Just click on configure, and here you have to connect the field with Excel column. So the header field like voucher series is column A, voucher date is column B. You have to select the field like this and select the Excel field. So you have to connect the field like this. I already created the format. Let me show you. This is the format name is purchase, configure. See, all the fields are connected. I will share you the sample data and the Excel sheet on your email, so you can practice on this data. So see, all the fields are connected. I already prepared this. After that, just click on add new voucher, and price, tax rates, amounts, you have to uh, tick on these options for automatic pick. After that, just select the Excel file. This is my Excel file. Sheet number. Now the sheet number is 3. So we have to specify sheet number 3. Starting row is 2. So we will specify row number 2 and ending row as 0. So now after that, let me close and just click on import option. Yes, now your data is importing. See, so your vouchers are imported successfully. Let me show you the purchase list. See, all the vouchers are imported. See, so voucher list are imported, and after that, let me show you how to import the sales voucher. So sheet number 4 is sales list. See, this is sales list. Now I'm importing these vouchers into busy from Excel. Same steps you have to follow. Just go to data export import, import voucher from Excel, select sales. I already prepared, created a format. Let me show you. This is my format, sales. Click on configure. So all the fields, all the Excel field, you have to connect with busy fields like voucher series, voucher date, amount, item field. All the fields you have to connect with Excel field. Just click on save, and let me select the format again. Select the Excel file again, and sheet number 4, because this sheet is Sheet number 4, sales. Starting row number 2, see, and click on import. Now your sales voucher, your sales data are importing. So you have to follow these steps and you have to connect the Excel field with busy field. After that, you can import data successfully from Excel into busy software. I hope you understood the steps how to import data from Tally to busy and how to import data from other software into busy software. These steps you have to follow. Thank you very much.